Hey, what's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here. Welcome to another video, and I want to wish you a happy 2019. Happy New Year. It is New Year's Eve, the day that I'm recording this, and today we're going to talk about home business opportunities for 2019. Specifically, we're going to talk about paid advertising and CPA marketing. So for somebody that's new that doesn't know any of this stuff, don't worry. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you tick the bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them, because I'm delivering content that's going to help you build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. Now, CPA marketing is kind of like affiliate marketing. You're not promoting other people's products to make a sell, but you're promoting other people's products and services, and you get paid for somebody taking an action. So not just if they buy, but if they fill out some information, if they fill out a name, an email address, maybe a phone number, they fill out an application, then what the company owner does is they pay you out for that action that they take. Because at the end of the day, they know their lifetime customer value. So if they can pay you $200 on the front end to capture like a name, email address, some personal information, they know on the back end that they'll make, thousands upon thousands of dollars. So it's worth it for them to pay you a lump sum of money on the front end, because they're going to make a lot more profits on the back end. And that's really the idea of CPA marketing. So what you want to be doing, this is kind of the framework of how CPA marketing works. And this doesn't just work for paid advertising. This can actually work for free advertising too as well. But essentially what you're going to do is you're going to drive website visitors from Facebook, Bing, YouTube, or a blog, or really anywhere else online. This could even work offline too as well. And you're driving people to what's called a pre-sale page. And then from the pre-sale page, you send them to the actual offer. Now, the idea of a pre-sale page is just that. To pre-sell people, to indoctrinate them, to build a bond with them through storytelling, through your experience with the product or somebody else's experience with the product. And so you're building that trust on that page, and then you're leading people to the offer after that page. What most people tend to do is they're sending their traffic, they're sending people from these social media platforms directly to the sales page. So they're essentially skipping the step right here in the pre-sale page. And what they're doing is they're pretty much skipping that and going straight to the sales page. Now, the problem with this is what most people are doing, and this is why they're failing when it comes to like paid advertising and CPA marketing and affiliate marketing, is when you promote the same way that everybody else is promoting, it saturates the market. There's no differentiation in the marketplace. And so when a consumer keeps going to the same sales page, they've seen that sales message so many times that they get ad blindness. They become saturated. They'll just click straight off of it. And so what you need to be doing is you need to add a personal touch to this whole entire sales process. And that's where the pre-sale page comes into place. Okay. So this is how this works. We go from a social media platform. We send people like maybe a Facebook post that has a link in it. And we then send them to the pre-sale page. And then from the pre-sale page, there's a little button on the pre-sale page and they go to the actual sales page. This is very simple. This is very easy to implement. I'm going to show you guys this whole entire process live so you can see it. So that's sort of how this works. So what the first thing that you're going to need is you're going to need an offer. You need something to sell. And the place that I would recommend signing up for is a place called purefly.com, because they approve pretty much everybody that applies to their affiliate network. Now, there's other places out there that you can apply to as well. You're not just limited to Purefly. Clickbank is another marketplace you can get started at, except Clickbank doesn't have CPA offers. They have affiliate offers. So you're selling a product directly, and once you make a sell on that product, you get paid for it rather than just getting somebody to fill out some information. You can also go to a website called offervault.com, and this actually lists all the different CPA networks that you can actually apply to. So you go to network column right here. You got Purefly, Revenue Wire, AdWool, ClickDealer, Triad Media, so on and so forth. So here's a list of networks that you can apply to. But if you're somebody that's new, just go ahead and start off with PeerFly. Go to peerfly.com, go ahead and fill out a publisher application. Once you're done with that, then you're going to log in here, and then you have the offer section right here, and you have the main panel right here. So there's a new offer I was testing. It's actually not a new offer, but it's a new campaign I was testing, and it brought me in right around $560 or so. I can't do math right off the bat, right? So we had $447.75 that came through here, and then $139 that came in through here within the past month, just testing this new offer using this whole outline that I just outlined to you. So the way that we find these offers, we just go to offers over here, and we go to browse offers. And then you can go select by category, tons of different categories right here. Once you do that, for example, if we go to like health, fitness, and weight loss, you have all these offers right here, and it will tell you what the payout is. So this pays $3.50. This pays 8%. This pays $63.75, $52, $9.75, so on and so forth. So this trusted health quotes, for example, it'll usually tell you if we scroll down, once we select this page, once we scroll down, it'll tell us what the conversion metrics are, like whether it converts on a sell, whether it converts on a lead. So this one says user who completes online quote form. So this would be like a lead gen offer. So you don't have to get people to buy anything. You just send them straight to the website. They fill out the zip code. And once they do that and click start, they might have to fill out some other information. You get paid out $3.50. It's pretty dang cool. So they don't have to buy anything whatsoever. So you can feel free to go and, browse all different sorts of offers if you wish. And what I like to do is I like to sort by EPC. So I'll just click this EPC. And you'll notice that you can see $2.80 per click that you're making, like off of this Apex Enhance XL. Now, EPC is earnings per click. So for every person, the unique person, by the way, not a person that clicks twice, the same person, but every unique person that's clicking to go to this website through somebody's affiliate link, that person's earning on average $2.80 per click just to go to the website. So that's really, really good. That means our traffic's of good quality. That means the offer is really good quality. So it's something to think about when you're creating your campaigns. So we know that every visitor we send to this website on average can be worth $2.80 to us. So it doesn't guarantee that we're going to make $2.80 because it depends on the traffic source that we're getting our traffic from. So if I was to click on this offer, for example, and scroll down, you can actually see these are the allowed methods that we can market through. So it says search, social, which means like we can market through Facebook, we can market through search, we can market through banner ads on websites, PPV, CPV, you don't really need to worry about that yet. But if you're starting out, I would make sure that you can market through social and that you can market through search, okay? If there's either of those available that you can market through, then you definitely, want to go ahead and move forward with the campaign along with looking at the EPC. So for example, if you're selling an actual affiliate product, you want to make sure that the EPC is a lot higher because what's going to happen is people are going to go to your pre-sale page, and then typically half of those people are going to go to this actual sales page. So it's useful if the EPC is at least $2 or higher, because then you don't have to optimize quite as much. So what you can also do is you can start by running these offers through organic marketing, which would be like to your Facebook profile, to Facebook groups, like on a blog, any traffic source that's free, even Pinterest. There's tons of free traffic sources out there that you can leverage. And I would highly recommend starting with those and then eventually moving into more, intermediate to advanced methods like Facebook ads and like YouTube ads and paid traffic altogether. Okay, so that's really the process of selecting the right product. Now, let me show you how this whole entire process works when you have a product selected. So in my case, what I did is I selected Bing advertising here. Okay, so typically what would happen, the way that I leverage this advertising method, is somebody would go to Bing and they would type in, for example, snoring remedies. Okay, and then what I would do is I would pay Bing to have an ad at the top of their search engine. So this isn't my ad in particular right here, but this is just for example purposes. What would happen is somebody would click this ad and they would go to this pre-sale page. Now this pre-sale page is a review page. It's a type of pre-sale page. So there's review pages and then there's like story pages. Those are really the two types of pre-sale pages out there. So this says top 3 best anti-snoring devices. And if you scroll down here, you can see that there's 3 devices here. There's 1 there, there's 2 here, and there's 3 here. The reason why they set it up this way is because they want to make it appear as non-biased as possible. Okay, so the more non-biased they can make it appear, then it's going to make it seem like it's not some affiliate site or somebody's just trying to make a sell. So all these links that you can see here, they're all affiliate links. So what's happened is someone has gone to like an affiliate network like PureFly. They've scrolled down, they've selected an offer, then they've scrolled down, and this specific offer is like a snoring offer here in PureFly. And this is the affiliate link right here. So what you'll do is you'll copy this affiliate link, and then inside this advertorial right here, you would put this link inside of the hyperlink of the text. So when somebody clicks this link, for example, this Sleep Right snoring device, it would go straight to this page. And then when somebody buys, the affiliate gets a commission. And that's typically how I'm making money. Okay, so here's how I set this up. So what I did first is I set up a Bing ad that looks similar to a Bing ad like this. And I was actually promoting a snoring device. And then I sent people straight from that ad to this landing page, right? And this is like an advertorial landing page. So it appears to look like a news site. And then I have, of course, my affiliate links sprinkled throughout the site and also have side banners right here. So here's all my affiliate links right here, right here, right here, right here. Even in some of the reviews, I have links. And then, of course, we got celebrity endorsements too as well. And so it just basically looks like a news site. So very non-salesy, looks like a reporter's point of view type of website. And then somebody clicks and then they go straight to, boom, the offer. So it actually redirected from this affiliate link here straight to this website right here. So when somebody buys, I get a percentage of the commission. And to be exact, this pays $69.50. So I made some decent money by promoting this product through Bing ads and then sending people from Bing ads straight to the pre-sale page and then to the sales page. So again, this is the process. You pick a traffic method. I would recommend picking one. Start with a free traffic method. In my case, I was doing Bing. And I was doing paid traffic. I'm a little bit more advanced. And I sent that traffic from Bing to a pre-sale page and then from the pre-sale page to the sales page. And you might be wondering, well, Josh, how do I set up the pre-sale page? What if I want to learn paid advertising? How does this stuff work? So my buddy actually has a webinar that will show you how to do all this stuff in complete detail. All you need to do is click the link below in the description and jump on that webinar, and you can dive deep into these details. So if you're serious about building a highly successful home business here in 2019, I would highly recommend checking out that free webinar. Again, go ahead and do that. Click the link below if you wish. If not, that's totally cool as well. I hope you got value from this video, and I hope you continue to get value from my videos here in 2019. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video.